Alice Guo, corner na, sukol na, hindi na pagdududahan. Siya po talaga ay isang espiya ng China pero idinideny pa niya. Pero bago po natin puntahan yung topic na yan, isang shoutout po muna tayo kay Edgar Villegas na nanonood sa atin lagi from Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Ingat kayo lagi dyan sa Saudi, Edgar, at maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa aking munting channel. Okay, kahapon po kasi sa Quadcom, may ipinalabas pong isang documentary na galing sa news agency na Al Jazeera. Hindi ko po maipapalabas dito yung video at baka tayo po ay ma-copyright, pero ilalagay ko po yung link sa description box para mapanood nyo po. Basahin ko po sa inyo ang balita galing sa Philstar. Detained Chinese spy tags Alice Guo as asset. A self-confessed Chinese spy has linked detained former Bamban Mayor Alice Guo to China's Civilian Intelligence, Security, and Secret Police Agency. Xi Ziyang, a tycoon currently detained in Thailand, spoke exclusively with Al Jazeera in a documentary titled Xi Ziyang, Discarded Chinese Spy or Criminal Mastermind. Xi claimed that he was an agent of China's Ministry of State Security and that he was recruited in 2016 by a man he met in the Philippines. Xi, who is fighting extradition to China over charges related to operating online gambling sites, said the man promised to get rid of the case against him in exchange for being a spy for the Chinese government. Through a custodian, she gave Al Jazeera access to some files that supposedly proved his claim of being a Chinese spy. Among the documents was a dossier about Guo Huaping, the supposed Chinese name of Alice Guo. The dossier listed China as Guo's place of birth and also identified her mother as a certain Lin Wenyi, the same Chinese woman that has been brought up during Senate hearings regarding Guo's identity. It also listed Guo's supposed address in China, which Al Jazeera found to be the address of the local office of the Chinese Communist Party. Al Jazeera also spoke with residents in Fujian who claimed that they recognized Guo as the daughter of Lin Wenyi. The resident supposedly confirmed that she was born in the area and only left around 2002. In the documentary, Xi admitted talking to Guo using his handler's mobile phone when Guo supposedly asked for financial assistance to support her campaign. Xi said he declined the request so as not to offend the Philippine government. He had a message for Guo. China cannot be trusted. The two of us dedicated our lives to China's Ministry of State Security. Look at what happened to me. If you don't want to be eliminated, you should tell the world the truth. Xi was arrested by Thai authorities following a red notice list issued by the Interpol. It was based on an arrest warrant issued in China. Xi claimed that China wanted to silence him due to the extent of his knowledge related to its intelligence and spying activities. I was exposed to secrets about Chinese state security and Belt and Road projects. They will definitely kill me if I am sent back to China. During Senate hearings, Guo has repeatedly denied being a Chinese citizen and a Chinese spy and maintained that she is a Filipino. So mas maganda, i-click nyo po yung link sa baba para mapanood nyo po yung documentary from Al Jazeera. Kasi kung dinideny ni Alice Guo ito, ano naman ang mapapala ng Chinese spy na to para idawit ang pangalan ni Alice Guo? At makikita natin dun sa document na ipinakita dyan, mukha po talaga ni Alice Guo, maiksi lang yung buhok. So, paano madideny ni Alice Guo ito? Sa bagay, ganyan po talaga yung mga espiya. Kahit na nasusukol na, hinding-hindi po sila aamin ng totoo. Sabi pa ni Alice, ididemanda niya yung Al Jazeera sa itong taong nag-expose sa kanya. Pero paano nga maididemanda? Nakakulong sa Thailand. At ang taong ito ay concern lang sa safety ni Alice Go. Kung matatandaan natin, nung nahuli si Alice Go, hindi ba't nung nagkita sila ni Benhur Abalos, ang una niyang sinabi, meron death threat sa kanya. At ito ang sinasabi ni Xi Zhejiang, na kung siya ay gustong ipaligpit, ganyan din ang gagawin kay Alice Go. At ang pinakamainam na gawin ni Alice Go is to tell the whole world the truth. Panoorin nga po natin yung kaganapan kahapon sa Quadcom. Let's watch this.
Okay. Again, let me ask. Go Huaping, kilala mo ba si Xi Zhejiang? Yes or no?
Your Honor, yung si Zhejiang na sinasabi niyo po, yan po ba yung pinakita niyo po kanina sa akin sa picture?
Correct.
Hindi ko po siya kilala. At sana po, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, makuha ko rin po yung details. Gusto ko po magdemanda. Hindi ko po sila kilala.
Hindi natin madidemanda, Miss Alice, dahil kasi he's in jail in Thailand. And the reason why he's speaking the truth now is because, as he was saying din in the video, although hindi lang pinakita dito, is that he is also being illegally detained daw, sabi niya. Kaya sa galit niya, he wants to speak also the truth out to the world na iniipit na rin siya ng Chinese Ministry of State and Security. So, what does he have to lose? That's why nga sinabi nga niya sa inyo, Miss Go Huaping, na tell the truth. Don't fall to the same mistakes that he has done kasi nga, he also fears for your life. Remember, nung Senate hearing, na you mentioned na you didn't want to name names because you feared for your life. And because of that, the Senate granted you security and asylum within the PNP's compound. Ngayon, na nag-executive session na kayo, sabi ng Senate na there was nothing to go about except for one name na hindi pa din namin alam.
So, before we recognize the next interpolator, may tanong lang ako kay Miss Go Huaping. So, hindi mo kilala yon, ano?
Your Honor, unfair naman po para sa akin. Hindi ko po siya kilala at never po ako humingi ng campaign fund entirely. Never po ako humingi ng campaign fund during my campaign period. At nung video na pinakita po ni Congressman Chino po kanina, hindi ko po siya kilala. At gusto ko rin po na iparating sa lahat ng kababayan ko at buong Pilipinas na rin po. Mahal ko pang Pilipinas.
Kasi nabanggit dun sa video na you're probably a spy.
Hindi po ako spy.
So, hindi ka spy.
Totally po, hindi po ako spy.
Hindi ikaw yung nasa picture.
Hindi po ako spy, hindi po ako nasa picture, at hindi rin po, Your Honor, ako yung sinasabi niya.
Kasi yung parang pinakita niyang dokumento, I don't know if that is a birth certificate from China, it clearly shows a picture that resembles your feature. Di ba? So, 1, 2, pangalan mo, yung Go Huaping. Tapos, yung place of birth mo, nakalagay daw doon. Nakalagay, China di ba? So, how will you now tell us and convince the Filipino people na ikaw ay hindi spy at ikaw ay hindi involved dito sa Pogo?
Your Honor, I think our government agencies can prove din sa darating ng araw na hindi po ako spy dahil hindi naman po talaga ako spy. Secondly, yung tao po na nasa video po kanina, I'll find way para, hindi ko po alam kung paano, pero I'll talk to my lawyer, especially the network, magdidemanda po ako.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
So ayan, ano sa tingin ninyo? Guilty ba si Go Huaping bilang isang Chinese spy o nagsasabi si Alice Go na hindi siya isang espiya? Once again, maraming salamat po sa Quadcom. Ibang-iba talaga kayo kesa sa Senado natin. Kung pwede nga lang isingit ang iba natin mga kongresista sa darating na halalan sa 2025. So go, go, go lang mga taga-Quadcom. Mas marami pong Pilipino ang naniniwala sa inyo. Kayo po, ano ang masasabi nyo dito kay Alice Go? Espiya ba or hindi? Comment lang po down below at magbabalik ang usapang Ito Money. Diyos ti Agnina.